What's up with y'all, man? What's up with y'all, man? Today is, what's today, the 27th? Today the 27th. Straight. Ain't that about a blip, boo? That shit crazy. Day 27. I had to start my vlog in here, man, because, you know.
My guys over till Wednesday. They play your weak ass Bucks again. Who's about to beat their ass again?
Who, the Heat?
Yeah.
No, y'all ain't got Jay Crowder. Jay Crowder was a big help.
We got Mo Harkless, same type of player. They balance each other.
All right. But Mo Harkless can't shoot for real. He can't shoot for real. We had him. We had to let him go. We had him.
Now he with a better team.
He got good height though. Real good height. He just can't shoot. And we need some shooters.
We got more shooters.
Anyway, today is day 27. I don't know what I'm finna do today. I think it's gonna be just a chill vlog, man, because everything's still closed for real on a Sunday. Monday, everything go back to normal. I know y'all waiting on them DoorDash vlogs. They are coming, trust me. They are coming. Because I think I'm gonna vlog for 3 days straight. I'm gonna give y'all 3 vlogs of me DoorDashing. 3 days straight. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So keep up with it, nigga. I'll let y'all know what's up. Hey, listen. Hey, listen. My son got a channel. Y'all go subscribe to him. Hey, y'all kids watch him. You know, all that. You can watch him too. He got a video dropping today. So stay tuned. Go subscribe to my son, Fathead's World. Zeus, he gotta sit on me. Ain't that something? He gotta sit on me. I swear he gotta be on me. Zeus gotta be on me. Big baby Zeus. Big baby Zeus. Big baby Zeus. Big baby Zeusy. Big baby Zeus. Oh. He got it. Man. Go get it. Yeah, he think I'm finna chase him. Don't even think, boy. I know y'all like, dang, he outside once again. Dude, because I'm really feeling the snow. Y'all cannot tell me, dog, listen. We've been wanting snow. We ain't had snow for the last 3 Christmases. Like, literally. And it's day 27, so that means, and it's a most wonderful talk to him, Zeus. It's still the holidays. New Year's come up next week. Big baby Zeus finna be 1. Hey, big baby Zeus finna be 1. Yeah, talk to him. See, Zeus rock with me, I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't want you to think nothing different. Zeus, you ain't finna leave that because we taking that in the house. So we gonna grab this. Nope, we ain't get it. Nope, you don't get it. Nope. Nope, you don't get it. Big baby Zeus don't get that. Big baby Zeus don't get that. Let it go. Let it go. Yeah, let it go. you know, got his little toy. He wanted so bad. But he not gonna get it until I give it to him. Hold on, man, hold on. Come here. All right, look. Zeus. Go get it. He know how to bring it back, but he want to play with it. See, when he get the dropping it, he get the licking on the snow. But if I walk up on him, he gonna chase me. I ain't about to walk up on him. He do his own thing. But it's halftime, man. Oh my goodness. I'm finna snap. Now I'm about to break down some real shit to y'all real quick because I'm watching the game right now. It's 12 minutes left. The Mavs is beating the mess out of the Clippers. Listen, the Mavs got 72 to 27. Dog, I don't know what's going on, but Paul George better get it going. Do you hear me? Kawhi Leonard is out, so that means Paul George is step-up time. Paul George is one of my favorite players, I swear. KD #1. KD was a hoe when he went to Golden State. He should have stayed with OKC. But anyway, Paul George is my guy. That's my main mans. I will go to war with my mans. But it's your time to step up. Today, he should get the dub and 40 points. That's just me. That's what I'm saying. And if he don't, it's gonna be a big problem. Zeus. Go get it. But yeah, back to what I was saying. It's gonna be a big problem. And I am going to, it looks so bad, man. I'm thinking I'm finna see a game where George dropped 30, 40, maybe 50. And look what I'm looking at and look at what I'm going through. This is so crazy to me, man. So crazy. Big baby Zeus. Dog, so crazy. Man, listen. I'm waiting on Fathead to get here. Fathead want to play with the snow. I know he do. You know what I'm saying? But it's just crazy to me. Oh. Oh yeah, I got you. Yeah, pick it up, throw it. Oh, Fathead. Oh. Oh, I got you. Yeah. Oh, you gotta do me like that? Dang, Fathead. Oh, he back at it again. Oh, it's like that. I got something for you then. Poof. Yeah. Put it on your head. Put it on your head. Why you keep jumping on me, dude? Fathead, I put it on your head. I got something else for you. Yeah, I got something for you. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, it's all on your head. Stop, move. You cold? You cold? My finger's cold. Look at them. Whoo, they cold, Fathead. Throw another one. I got something for you, Fathead, right here. Yeah. Oh, I got something for you, Fathead. Yeah. Oh. You feel me? That's how these niggas build genuine love, dog. It's about opening the fair eyes and bring them in. You right here with me this whole ride. You gonna watch me get this shit. You gonna watch me hustle. You gonna watch me blow. You gonna help me blow. You know what I'm saying? Look, bitch, we grinding right now.